Most e-commerce brands burning through 50K plus a month on Facebook ads are making one catastrophic mistake that's costing them millions in lost revenue. And it has nothing to do with targeting, bidding, or campaign structure. I'm about to show you the exact metric that separates six-figure brands from eight-figure empires, and why 99% of advertisers completely ignore it. My name is Mason Littlejohn, and over the past 10 years, I've helped e-commerce brands go from burning money on ads to profitably spending millions of dollars per month. Brands I work with have generated over $1.7 billion in revenue using what I call the Holy Grail creative analysis system. Here's what's happening right now in your ad account that you probably don't even realize. You're celebrating a $30 CPA, thinking you're winning, your return on ad spend looks decent, your conversion rates seem acceptable, but you're missing the forest for the trees. While you're obsessing over campaign structures, audience targeting, and customer profiles, your competitors are quietly stealing market share using ads that cost them 80% less to drive the same traffic. Think about this for a second. If you're spending $100,000 per month on ads and getting 20,000 website sessions, but your competitor is spending the same amount and getting 100,000 sessions, who do you think is going to dominate that market? They're building email lists 5x faster than you. Their retargeting audiences are 5x bigger than yours. They're capturing more market share every single day while you're stuck wondering why scaling feels impossible. The difference comes down to one metric that most advertisers completely ignore. This metric is cost per click. Not cost per acquisition, not ROAS, cost per click. Holy Grail ads, the ones that can scale to $1 million per month in ad spend, all have one thing in common. They generate clicks for under $1. When I tell this to other agency owners or big brands, they think I'm crazy, that it's impossible in their industry to get under $1 CPCs on ads. But here's the mathematical reality. If you're spending $1 million on ads with a $5 cost per click, you're getting 200,000 website sessions. If I'm spending the same amount of money, if I'm spending the same amount with $1 cost per click, I'm getting 1 million sessions. Same conversion rate, same product, same everything else, but I'm getting 5x more customers than you are. So let me show you exactly how this plays out with real numbers. Brand A spends $1 million monthly with $5 cost per clicks, they get 200,000 sessions. At a 2% conversion rate, that's 4,000 orders. But if brand B spends the same $1 million with $1 cost per clicks, they get 1 million sessions. And with the same 2% conversion rate, they get 20,000 orders. Same exact business, same exact offer, same exact conversion rate, but brand B gets 5x more customers. But it gets even better. Those extra 800,000 sessions aren't just disappearing. They're signing up for your email and SMS list, they're adding products to cart, and they're creating massive retargeting audiences. Month 2, brand B will have 4x larger email and SMS lists and retargeting pools. And month 3, their compound growth starts kicking in, and by month 6, they're not just getting 5x more customers from paid ads, they're getting exponentially more revenue from their entire marketing ecosystem. So how do you actually achieve these sub $1 cost per clicks? It comes down to what I call the Holy Grail creative analysis system. There are 3 tiers of metrics you need to master. Tier 1, your traffic acquisition metrics. First, your click-through rate needs to be above your account average. This tells you people actually want to click on your ad. Second, your CPM or cost per thousand impressions needs to be below your account average as well. This means Meta's algorithm is favoring your creative with cheaper distribution. And third, the big one, cost per click under $1. This is non-negotiable for massive scale. Now, tier 2, these are your conversion metrics. Your cost per acquisition needs to be both below your account average and your prospecting average. This proves your cheap traffic actually converts. And your return on ad spend needs to be above your account average consistently. This confirms you're making money and not just driving cheap clicks. And then there's tier 3, the secret sauce. This is where most advertisers fail completely. You need to be tracking your cost per add to cart, your cost per checkout initiation, and your cost per email sign up. These metrics tell you if you're efficiently building your full funnel infrastructure that will drive compound growth over time. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Most advertisers are lazy. They find one video ad that works and they write it into the ground. But Holy Grail advertisers master every single creative format. Static images, using us versus them comparisons, value proposition graphics, before and after transformations, social proof testimonials. On the video ad side, short form ads for attention, long form ads for education, VSL style ads for higher ticket products. And the formats formats that nobody talks about: carousel ads for storytelling or product breakdowns, GIF ads for eye-catching movement, and collection ads for showcasing new collection drops. The brands scaling to $1 million or more a month aren't just good at one ad format, they're exceptional at all of them. Now here's exactly how to implement this system. Phase 1, you're gonna audit your current ad account, calculate your averages for every holy grail metric over the last 30 days. Identify which ads are already meeting these standards. Phase 2, set up systematic testing. Use ad set budget campaigns, not CBO, and test each creative format separately. Spend 2 to 3x your CPA goal before making winner or loser decisions. Phase 3, scale intelligently. You're gonna wanna scale your winning ads inside your testing campaign and graduate your winning ads to your performance campaigns and scale them there as well. And you're going to scale using the double up method. This is my method where you double the budget every 2 to 3 days if performance holds. This is how you're going to scale as fast as possible and hit those $1 million months. And phase 4 is optimization. You need to be optimizing continuously, doing weekly analysis, finding pattern recognitions of winning ads and remaking more winning ads and iterating on your winners. And at the end of every month, catalog your winning ads and plan new ads based on those winning ads. But you might be thinking, but my industry is different. My CPCs can't get that low. I've heard this from supplement brands, fashion brands, home goods brands, CPG brands, you name it. The brands that say this get stuck at $50K a month ad spend forever. The brands that commit to creative excellence, they're the ones that are getting 8-figure exits. And now you're thinking, this sounds like a lot of work. You're right. It is work. Mediocre advertisers want easy buttons and magic tricks. Elite advertisers understand that creative excellence is the only sustainable competitive advantage. Now your choice is simple. Stay comfortable with average results or commit to the work that creates extraordinary outcomes. Look, I've shown you the exact system that separates 6-figure brands from 8-figure empires, the mathematical reality of why sub $1 cost per clicks change everything, and the creative formats that actually scale. But knowing and doing are two completely different things. If you're serious about scaling past 100K monthly ad spend, if you want to build a business worth acquiring for 8 or 9 figures, if you're tired of watching competitors steal market share while you're stuck with expensive traffic, I work with a small group of e-commerce brands in my coaching program, Meta Ads at Scale, where we are dedicated to creative excellence. Inside my coaching program, we implement this entire system together. We help you find holy grail ads and we show you how to scale them systematically. The link to my program is in the description of this video, but understand this isn't for everyone. This is for brands who are serious about scaling and who are ready to do whatever it takes to dominate their market. Stop accepting mediocre ad creative, stop making excuses about your industry being different, and focus on making holy grail ads and watch your business explode. I'll see you in the next video.